Welcome in the OurkilO microfactory in Rotterdam. I'm going to tell you what we're doing here. So in first instance, we are collecting disposable and used plastic, because plastic can be used for a long time. We don't want them for a single use. When we have collected them and cleaned them, we're going to shred them into different small elements. That is our first step. The second step is to find the right recipes for these shredded materials in becoming filament. It is a real investigation to create the right thickness and the right durance of this filament. After we have found the right recipe, we can go into designing and creating our products. And within OurkilO, we are conducting different pilots so that we can make sand toys for children to play in the play yards, or little music instrument for at school, or think about all the plants you want to host at house, small furniture items. Actually, it can be anything. So OurkilO is here to test how we can recycle and upcycle plastic waste.